guys, Star here. If you're a coach, course creator, or a membership owner, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use tabs within your groups to tailor how you want your members to engage. Let's dive in. So you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, let's go ahead and click on memberships. Once you've selected memberships, we're just going to go to the top and select communities. Then scroll down to groups. Once you've selected groups, you're going to see a list of your community groups. Now, the group that you want to go ahead and customize, you're just going to go ahead and log into. Now that you're inside of your community, you're going to see at the top, we have the discussion tab, we have the learning tab, events, leaderboard, members, and about. You can actually customize the tabs above that you want to show by toggling them off or on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select settings. Once you've clicked on settings, just scroll down to show or hide tabs. Now it's important to note that the discussion tab will always remain on to encourage engagement, and the about tab will also remain on for discoverability, which we definitely want for your community. However, you will have the ability to toggle off the learning tab. Maybe you don't have skills that you want to show or courses that you want to show your community members. Maybe you have a very active community, but you guys don't have events, so you can toggle that off. You can also toggle off the leaderboard if that's not a fit for your community, and you can also toggle off the members tab if you don't want others to see this. Now, please note that this tab will still be available for admins if it's disabled. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the learning tab, for example, and then I'm going to save my settings. Then I'm going to close out, and you'll see that we now have discussion, learning, members, and about. So I was able to customize this community based on the tabs that I want my community members to see. So if you're a course creator or a membership owner, go ahead and customize your group today so that you can actually provide the desired experience for your community members. And don't forget to check out our help doc below for more information on this tutorial. If you're interested in seeing more tutorials like this one, check out our Content Army playlist. I'll see you guys in the next one.